O'clock Sunday night. Do you know where your charts are? They better be on Sunday Night Charts with Jim of All Trades. What's up, y'all? How's it going? I'm not on the screen. Let me get myself on the screen. There we go. What is going on? Let me know if we got good audio, good video. Right, there we go. See if it comes through. I'm going to find you guys on my phone here so we can chat away. How's it going this Sunday night? Sorry, guys. What's up, Geek Boy? Tuna Melt. What's up, man? What's up, Merle? Keith, how are y'all? Good to see y'all, really. See if we can get these. Yeah, I got a shower and I don't have my dirty work clothes on. It's all good. It's all good. Thank you. Got a Coke in hand. What's up, Daniel? How's it going? Good audio video. Just somebody give me the final word there. All right. Got a couple trades working. I'm going to give you the setups on the front end of this. I am looking for an XRP. I'm looking for this shape right here. I want to see that finish out right there. Targeting 2384 to 2371 in that ballpark right there. That's where I'm targeting. Okay. And then once that's done, looking for an upside move from there. So that's the way I'm thinking about it for now until that's invalidated. That's a setup I'm watching. So wait for it to come down here in 3 waves. We want to see it measure correctively. Good AV. All right, excellent. So watching for that setup on XRP. Same setup here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. If any of you guys want to trade it, you're welcome to do it. Looks like a leading diagonal to me. Okay, I've got it delineated here. Okay, out of that leading diagonal, I'm expecting this to come down in 3 waves like that. It's going to be pretty shallow, I believe. That's my take. It's been shallow lately out of leading diagonals. Bitcoin's been going very shallow. So look for it to come down to the 786 to the 1-to-1 extension. And then once it gets down there, guys, we're going to be looking for a long position. That's the setup. Alright, so there's a trade setup for you based on Elliott Wave principles. This is a 5-wave move that began. We're going to get a 3-wave pullback to the 1-to-1 extension or the 127 extension, maybe even as deep as the 1618, but it hasn't lately been coming that low. So once you get that once you get that move, then you're looking to get a move to the upside. Okay, the way you would figure out the targets there, just giving everybody a trade setup on the front end of the TA here. Once this comes down to the bottom, we'll put our fibs there. We'll get it right now. We'll get a target somewhere around here. Okay, and this could simply be a 3-wave move. Starts off with a 535 ABC, A, B, and C, or this could become an impulse to the top, to the upside. If it gets up here to the 1618, then we're going to look for higher. But if it just comes up here correctively, 535, we get a bounce around corrective fibs, then we're going to be looking, guys, for more downside. Okay, that's the way we're looking at that setup there. So this could just simply be a 3-wave pullback, but there's a nice trade in there for you. From around $10,000 to $10,600. How many of you could use a $600 move tonight? That'd be all right, wouldn't it? It'd be all right in Bitcoin. So, 2 trade setups that I just shared with you. Let's see. Watching Ethereum to do a similar thing. We'll see if it does it. I mean, again, we're going to be nimble. We're going to react to what the market actually does, but looking for this kind of flat to come on down to this region right here. If you want to take a screenshot of that trade setup, you're welcome to. I share these kinds of trade setups all the time in the Telegram group. So if you're not part of that, and you want to have access to these as I see them and share them, then you're more than welcome to become a Patreon supporter, and we'll get you in the group. All right. So yeah, there's a Ethereum setup. I think they're just all kind of doing the same thing. So in other words, I just think we're making a 3-wave move to upper regions. Okay. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the market actually brings us here. Okay. What's up, Brentley? How's it going? Rob, what's up, yo? Malcolm X. Yeah, I'll have to definitely check it, Malcolm, because I shared a link that is I shared in the Telegram group a trade here. Let's see, where was the link set up? Link set up last night. I shared this last night that we're heading up to this region there. And then today I shared the chart, and we came up to target. So that's how it played out after the setup last night before it happened. Okay. And then the chart today got the move. And it got even a higher move than that. But anyway, that was the trade setup that I shared last night. So some people caught it, some people didn't. It just depends on who was watching at the time and who was willing to take that chance. So, yeah. What's up, James Bond? How's it going, buddy? CME Wick. Yeah, I think we're probably going to go down and hit it. I mean, why come this close without closing it? Yeah, but we. You did not quit this. You did not. I hope you didn't. Oh, golly. My stream is not worth quitting your job over. Wow, man, wow. Rob Thomas going to 7K. I don't know, man. I just don't know. Can't tell you, man. Can't tell you. We're going to talk about it here in just a minute. But just wanted to kind of set everybody up with this trade setup here. So has everybody got the trade set up? You ready to rock with the TA? Give me a like on the video if you're ready for the TA. We'll get it rocking. So I need to set an alert here. And I need to set an alert here. Since I'm trading. All right, let's get going. Let's get started with the TA. We'll start with Bitcoin. We'll hit Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, Link. We'll hit all those, and then I'll take requests. Okay. Yeah. Rob, ETH is the only one that looks like a clean 5-wave. I think we just finished A. I don't know if it's A of 2, but I think we just finished an A wave of Ethereum for sure. In fact, let's just talk about Ethereum because it's the clearest of the charts. Okay. Don't forget, none of this is financial advice. Here is a trade setup though, right here for you. Looking for the 1-to-1 extension, 338 to 333 for a long, up to about 396. Hey, that's a $60 swing. That's a pretty nice Ethereum move. looking for a nice move out of XRP as well. So anyway, I've already shared all those setups at the beginning of the live stream. If you didn't catch it, definitely check it out. Okay. All right. Let's look at XRP. Let's look at Ethereum first tonight. I'm going to clear my chart. Man, I hate to remove a setup off the screen, but I'll whip it out another time. All right. All right, guys, the way Ethereum came down, guys, it came down impulsively, okay? So, in other words, let me first say my idea that we were going to do this trick, okay, and then off we go, okay? Ethereum did it, okay? Ethereum's the only one that did it, pretty much, okay? So we got Ethereum, basically, we got the three-wave we got the three-wave move, okay? And then Ethereum finished with a beautiful 5-wave impulse. Just done. So Ethereum finished it out. That's finished. That's done. Complete. All right. So it makes me think we got to finish 5 waves here, guys, of Ethereum. Excuse me. So if that's finished, guys, I mean, look how straight down this came. It came down in a 5-wave impulse, guys. Okay, so it came down in a 5-wave impulse. I think we've hit the bottom of that, and I think we're heading up for a 3-wave pullback. Okay, so in other words, we got a 5-wave move down. We're going to get a 3-wave pullback, and I think we're heading down again. Okay, so let's trade this to the upside, guys. That's what I'm trying to do at least. So I'm looking to trade that to the upside, and excuse me. It's not going to go up that far. So how far do we expect it to come? Well, I mean, when the wave's in its beginning stages, I just generally pull the retrace fibs, and I'm just going to basically target the 618, and I'm going to target the 50%. If it goes deeper, 786 is a good target. Now I like the 786 because right here we got the top of this wave. Okay, that's the 786 is the top of that wave. So I like that 786 target, to be honest with you. That's a nice run, guys. How'd you like to catch that? That's over $100 move. That's a $150 move right there in Ethereum. That's a great wave to trade. No, it's a $100 move. Sorry. Regardless, that's a nice little wave to trade. But guys, don't think we're just going up forever. This is most likely going to go back down after 3-wave pullback. Now, this is all contingent, guys. This is all contingent upon, number one, this 5-wave move being finished. It's so hard to catch the bottom because they can always just roll this thing over and do it one more time and then take it up, okay? So, it's hard to tell when that 5 waves is finished, but the bottom here, I don't have any divergence in the 4-hour. On the 1 hour, I don't have really any divergence to speak of. Most likely, guys, in fact, I have hidden bear divergence working right here. Hidden bear. Let me show it to you. Okay, so this peak to that peak is making a higher high. Okay, while the same peak right here is making a lower high. Okay, so in other words, the RSI is resetting to the upside, but price isn't going with it. Price is just kind of staggering. It's really making me think this is just a corrective wave. Okay, and down is the ultimate direction. Now I think it's going to be 3 waves. I think it's going to be a more complex correction than this. So in the 30-minute, you still also have that same divergence there. Okay. My setup that I'm trading right now for Ethereum is basically the way I'm expecting another low. I don't think the 5th wave is done. That's what I'm saying. So got a 3-wave there. Oh, sorry. Let me try it again. I got a 3-wave there. I think we're going to get a flat right here. Okay. Then we're going to get another 3-wave to the upside. Okay. And that's going to come up, and that's going to get up to these targets that I have. Well, actually, it's not going to get up to these targets, but it'll come and retest this area. Okay. But it shouldn't break it And as long as it does that, as long as I get the hidden bull divergence, I mean, that's just a hypothesis for now, and trade to the upside there, and then I think, based upon RSI, based upon wave action, we might get a lower, one more hit to the downside. Okay, and that, guys, is probably going to be when we fill the CME gap. It's my guess. Okay, so I think we're going to be. I think this is a corrective wave on Ethereum, and I think we have one more hit. We're always trying to find the bottom. So I'm going to clear my chart here, remove the drawings. There we go. And let's see if we can count this wave here, see if we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty tough wave delineation up here. But I would probably say this is wave 1. We don't count just by counting the waves. We count with fibs, guys. You got to remember that. Okay, we count with fibs. So the fibs are telling me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go up for a most likely a 3-wave correction. That's the wave we want to hit. Okay, so we want to hit this short. Okay, we want to, once this wave 4 is finished, we want to hit that short, and then we want to hit that long. Okay. And then after that, we want to make sure we're short for a while. Okay, we want to hit Ethereum's short for a while. Okay, that's what the Elliott Wave is saying here. It's saying it because of the way this thing came down. It's coming down in 5 waves. Doesn't look 3-wave-ish to me. It looks 5 waves to me. Now, the market can do whatever it wants to. It doesn't follow Elliott Wave rules. Elliott Wave rules is really rules to keep you focused in on what the market does on a regular basis. In other words, Elliott Wave principles basically help you understand what the market does repetitively, but that doesn't mean it does it. It happens every time. It doesn't mean it must happen. The market doesn't play by any rules, okay? However, what the market does, Elliott identified and said, this is what it does on a regular basis. Now, we live in a new age of trading that Elliott did not observe, okay? We live in an age of algorithms and bots. We live in an age of high-frequency trading, and we live in an age of market makers. Okay, and so their tricks are more widespread and difficult. Basically, the expanded flats and the running flats are basically what you see all over the market, all the time. And so basically, you've got to learn to trade with running flats and expanded flats. You've got to learn to see them and understand them because the market's just full of them. Okay. And they break a lot of rules as well. It's basically shape and fibs, guys. Shape and fibs. Sub-counts don't always get you there. I see flats that are counted as a 5-3-5. I see flats that are 5-3-5s. I see flats that are 3-3-3s. But regardless, they're corrective waves. They come to corrective fibs, and they act like corrective structures. Even though they don't count right, they don't count according to Elliott's principles. Okay? So, that being said, we need to learn to watch shape and fibs. Okay, let me just take a peek here at, I just want to make sure my XRP is heading down. Oh, because that's where I'm trading it right now. I'm short in XRP down to this region. I want to go long. They're just a little scalpy trade there. All right, so that being said, I believe that this is just going to be a 3-wave correction and then one more hit to the low. So this is probably going to work its way down like this, boom, okay? Come on down and then up. Where would that go? I mean, the next, we've hit this region here. The next area is here. That's the next area. You might say we have an area at the top of here. So that might be the first area. So if I were to guess with Ethereum, get off my screen. It's going to work its way down here, 3 waves back, and then 5-wave it down to the next zone. I'm sorry. Let me try that again. It's gonna come back and test this region, 3-wave it up, okay, and then work its way down to to this region right here. This region. This zone right there. And hopefully what that would be a an impulse 1 wave, 3 wave correction, and then we're going to the moon next year. We go to the moon after the elections, and so all this will probably take till the elections, and then after the elections in December, we're gone, guys. So January, we're gone, heading rocket ship to the moon. Okay, so that's the way I'm looking at Ethereum. There's the yeah, Chemo Man, Justin. That is a Moon Boy look at it. That's a proper Moon Boy look at it. The Moon Boys are just expected to go straight up. Nah, we need to do that. What's up? Okay, I'm doing great. You're doing great. Yeah, 80% of trading is bots. That's true. Unwrecked Trader FX. Thank you, man. He has blessed me in Christ for sure. I am blessed indeed. I am blessed in the beloved one, as the scriptures say. All right. Yes, looking great. All right, so there's Ethereum. That's what I'm looking at, guys. That's what I think. So let me just review Ethereum and then move on to Bitcoin. So in the meantime, in the small time frame, guys, 5-minute chart, I believe that this is the bottom of the third wave right here. We're making the fourth wave right now. Okay, the way that wave shape to me is going to play out, try it again. Wow, I'm having a really hard time here. 3 wave, 3 wave, 3 wave. And so basically you got boom, boom, boom. Sorry. Change the color on that guy. Something like that. Something like that. And then down. We're going to look for, if I had to guess, I'll guess for you. Looking at 385 to 399 to 400 to come down. 385 be my first target. Okay. Actually, the first target would be 786, but I think it'd go higher. Ethereum likes to go higher. 385 to 399. They're the targets. What's up, Ethan? Okay. Your son boy. All right, there's Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right. Let's go down to I'm going to show you the trade setup again for those of you who just joined. I'll show you the trade setup in Bitcoin that's working right now. Basically, we got a leading diagonal here, a wave, I think, probably, most likely, looking for a 3-wave move to the downside to come. The target is going to be right here, right in this region here. I would say, right here, the 786 to the 127 in that ballpark. 10-143. Okay, 3-wave move. Okay, and once that's done, we're looking to go long to about 10,600 roughly, maybe 10,500 if it's a short wave. Okay, but basically in this region right there, we got a zone. We got a pretty big zone here. All the 10.5 to 10.8. Just have to count the waves as they come up, guys. And that's the way I do it. But that would be the region we'd be looking at. And then we'd be looking for another downside move. Okay, so that's my intermediate trading plan for now. That's my plan as the wave structure has presented it to me. That's what I'm looking for and going to be looking to trade. Okay, Ethan, I don't trade harmonics. I just don't know a lot about it. I haven't gotten in there yet, but I know there's a lot of confluence between Elliott Wave and harmonics. And so one of these days I'm going to jump into that, but I haven't had a chance to do that yet. So any of you guys that know harmonics, good for y'all, because I'm not that guy right now, but one day I will be. I just haven't gotten into it. Wyckoff as well. I'm going to study Wyckoff and harmonics and be a well-rounded well-rounded. Yeah, chemo's me my financial disclaimer there. Yeah, none of this is financial advice. I already said that. It's just the way I'm looking at the market. It's the way I'm trading that guy, or looking to trade it. All right, and I am trading it. I'm trading XRP though. That's my chosen one for these days. I like to pick one and just trade it. And XRP likes to move a lot. It's moving, it moves more greater percentages. So I'm trading it. So I like the way Ethereum's been moving lately, and I do like the way Link has been moving. So I might switch over to Link here for a little while. But right now I'm trading XRP just for my scalpy trades. So nice. I'll have to check it out, buddy. All right, let's go to that was Bitcoin. Now let's do the macro Bitcoin analysis, and I'll just show you what I'm seeing there. Remove my drawings. Okay. I'm gonna say, go out on a limb. This is a finished 5 waves. I just hate the way it finished. I hate the way it finished. But here is what I'm seeing. We got our little running flat right there. It's the only way I can make sense of this end. Okay? And then we got our last wave right there. That was it. That was it. Okay? And now it appears that we're getting, right now, we're sitting at the 1618 extension of a 3-wave move. Okay? So this is shaped. See, Ethereum came straight down. Bitcoin came down in 3 waves. So is it done? Is it done? Don't know. I don't know. We're at the 1618. We just tagged it. Just tagged it. So Bitcoin did a 3-wave to the 1618. So what is that in the grand scheme of things? It's maybe an A wave, guys. That's maybe an A wave or a W wave, right? So in other words, we got a 3-wave. We're gonna look to get a 3-wave, and then what comes after that? Another 3-wave, and we're gonna get basically a W X Y correction. Okay, and that's hopefully gonna bring us down to that region right there. Okay. So there's a possibility. That's if it goes 333. Now, what else could it be? Well, I mean, listen, a 3-wave can turn into a 5-wave, right? So that's could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just don't like how because Bitcoin usually doesn't do that. I don't like how truncated this 3 looks. I mean, technically it's at the 1618, guys, but this 1 wave is really, really big. Okay, that 2-wave is really big. You got this 3-wave that's a comparable size. The 3-wave usually likes to do that, right? Or even that. Okay, a nice big 3-wave, and we didn't get that. So my gut is saying that this isn't going to turn into 5 waves. That's what my gut is saying. Okay, what my gut is actually telling me is that this is actually just a 3-wave move right here. It's not going to be a 5-wave. It's going to be a 3-wave. But I don't think it's finished. I don't think we go up from here. I mean, I think we do go up for a corrective wave, but I think it's going to go up in 3-wave fashion. And then down in 3-wave fashion to finish out a WXY. So those are my thoughts as to what it might do. But what I don't like about this is that it's just so dumpy. Now, if this 3rd wave, as long as we don't get a gigantic wave right now, really, really big wave right now, okay, we just get this little wave right here, and then it comes down again, right there, like down even to this fib. Okay, that would be a really nice 3rd wave. I would like that a lot. Okay, then we get a 4 and a 5, then we go up, and then we go down for 5 again, and that would be a really nice shape, to be honest with you, per the size of this wave. This is a really big wave, right? So we need a comparable correction. So the question mark in all of our minds is this just a 3-wave move? We're going to get a 3-wave and then a 3-wave? Or is this just in the middle of an impulse wave and we're waiting for 5 waves to finish? So those are the questions in my mind, and I don't have the answers, okay? But we'll just trade it wave by wave, right? So, but I'm looking for that, okay? I don't think it'll be done there. I think it'll come back up kind of rally, and it'll be kind of big, and everybody will be excited, and then down we go again. And it'll be a really big rally, okay? And then right after the elections, December-ish, boom, heading on up. To the moon, Alice. To the moon. Rocket Man. Burning out my fuse up here alone. Rocket Man. So yeah, it's let me get my rocket ship here. It's a big missile. We're going up to the moon, baby. To the moon. M for moon. So yeah, that's the way I'm thinking for now. Why do I think that? Well, this wave is too big. It's too big to be like a fourth wave. It's too big. Now, it is a 3-wave move. So it is 3 waves. If the market wanted to go up from here, it can. And I'm telling you that is possible, even though I don't think it. Right? I don't think that's going to happen. That can happen. It can. One of the reasons I don't think it's going to happen is because of Ethereum. Okay? You guys try to draw with your mouths, man. You guys, you guys try to. All right. Actually, I'm actually a pretty decent artist, to be honest with you. You should see my Gandalf. I got a good Gandalf. You shall not pass. Fly, you fools. Okay. Any Lord of the Rings nuts out there? Mr. Shays, that is absolutely true. Absolutely true. All right, let me watch XRP here just for a second, guys. Give me 1 minute. I got to pull up my trading app on my phone here. Okay. All right. Where was I? Okay. So yeah, we got a 3-way move. It came to the 1618 and just barely tagged it. Could be on our way. Could be on our way from here. So we understand that. But if you ask me what's Jim's opinion, well, based on Ethereum and how it came down straight. It would seem to me that we need some more wave action. Okay, we need more waves. We need a 3-wave up and another 3-wave down. We need more action, but it did come pretty deep, pretty fast. So, yeah. So I can't tell you. I can't tell you what it's going to do. I can only tell you what the possibilities are, and then tell you what my feeling is right now. And that feeling could change. That feeling could totally change if the market changes. Okay, so if the market changes, then I will change with it. So as it gives me more information. Let me just take a peek at the small time frames here. See how these trade setups are looking. Give me 1 second, guys. Hard to trade and do it live at the same time. There we go. They'll get it going your direction, then they'll whip it up really fast and scare you out of your trade. I just want to make sure it's not going to continue up, and I'm wrong in my analysis there. So watch the trade at this crucial setup here, and as long as we get continuation down, I'll be fine. If we get more, if we break that high, I'm going to want to cut the trade because that's not my trade setup. That's outside the boundaries of what I was planning, and so when it goes outside the boundaries of what I was planning, I tend to cut the trade and look for another entry once the chart becomes clearer to me. Especially since this is just such a small scalpy trade, it's not worth losing anything over. Not worth losing anything over at all. Okay. Check Telegram.
Are you killing a spider with it?
Let's see. Watching gave you an idea. Check the direct message. Okay. All right. Let's pull up. This is Wax. This is Trading Shapes here. He's thinking up from here. 3-wave move. And he's looking at that structure there. Possibility for sure. Definitely a possibility. Let's see. Let's look at chemo here. This is the what is this? The 4-hour chart. I'm going to redraw what each of you guys are watching. So, let's see. running flat. So it's a 3-3-5. Yeah. All right. So let me show you what Wax is looking at. Trading Shapes is. All right, so this is one idea here. Make sure I'm seeing it right. Oh, wow, you starting way from down there. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, that's a possibility, dude, for sure. He's looking at this structure like this. Basically, boom, 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 like that. That would lend itself more to a 3-wave move, man. Like that. So that's what my buddy Wax is showing you there as a possibility. Definitely consider that as a possibility, because that's interesting. That kind of makes sense of this stuff here. Maybe have to wait and see. But yeah, looking possible. Get it up there to the 1-to-1 extension, something like that. It gets you up 16. Shoot, the 127 gets you up to 18,000. That's retesting all-time highs. Everybody's loving it. That would, yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure. I would need for the for the people that are buying into the the flat theory. This is a flat right here. This needs to be 5 waves. So this needs to be 3 waves, but I don't like the flat theory at all. I'm more of a 1 2 1 2 guy, and then on we go. This just makes it an extended, this wave just gets extended and continues on. So yeah, there's a possibility right there, for sure. All right, let's look at what Kimo Sabi was looking at. Clear the drawings. All right, so Kimo Sabi was looking at running flats here. There's an there's your first one. There's your second one. So that's a 3. Excuse me. That's a 3. There's a 3, and there's a 5, and it's just basically a big old flat. Three, 3, 5. And that's a way to make sense of it. And then it's finished. It's done. It's complete. Going up from there. So there you go. Just a little deep for me. But nevertheless, market can do whatever it wants to do. See what the chat's saying. See what you guys are saying in the chat. Oh, sorry, Rob. Thank you for letting me know. I'll see if I can edit that out. All right, so there's some looks there at Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's take a peek at Link. What's Link doing? Link's starting off impulsively. It's looking pretty decent. Let's look at Link. Got a 3-wave move, came to the 127 extension. We got a reversal type wave right off the bottom. It's beautiful. It's measuring impulsively. It's not finished yet. Once that thing is finished, expect some kind of a 3-wave pullback and then to the moon, guys. Okay, so that's the way Link is looking. It's beautiful shape. It's gorgeous. It looks really nice. It looks really, really nice. So that's the way I'm looking at Link right there. Okay. XRP. Let's look at the more wide range XRP here. Remove the drawings. The shape is so odd here, but looks like we finished in a 5-wave move. 3-wave pullback right so far. It's the way it's shaped. 3-wave pullback has come to the 1-to-1 extension. Is it finished? Quite possibly, yes. Quite possibly it's finished. Done. Complete. So this is a 3-wave move. It could be finished, and we're heading up from here. We could have one more hit and then up. Okay, that would be supported by a hit by Bitcoin going down to hit the CME gap. If everybody's expecting that, looking for that, that would allow for that. So there's a possibility. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll see what happens. But right now it's a 3-wave move, 1-to-1 extension. I've got some divergence here on the 2-hour chart. Got some divergence, a little bit of divergence on the 1-hour chart here, but we have hidden bearish divergence right now working. We got hidden bear working on the what do you call it? On the 1 hour. In fact, if I go to the 30-minute chart, you see a wedge a wedge shape that just got broken on the. Did it get broken? Not quite. Okay. Looking like it's ready to break to the downside a little bit and then back up. So that's what I'm trading right now, at least. We'll see. We'll see there. What's up, Gary George? Long time no talk, buddy. Yeah, Link is looking great as far as the shape, Rob. It's looking really, really good. Let's see. Shay says you can see the bull run on 2017 give this kind of moves and keep going up after it touched the 20-week. Is that on the weekly chart, Shays? In the meantime, I've looked at Link. Let's look at Litecoin. Litecoin on the macro is a three-wave move. Okay, it's boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then we got this big old move down. Okay, so that tells me when I see that, guys, there's two things that could be happening. Okay, number one, we could simply have a three. Oh, come on. Could simply have a three-wave move and we're heading down, or this is actually a 1-2-1-2 situation. Okay, because the 1-2-1-2 will often start out looking corrective. It'll measure to a corrective fib like this, but this is a one wave and a two wave, a one wave and a two wave, and then it's bull, big time bull, gonna get a big wave going to the upside soon. So there's a possibility. As well. So that could be a 1-2-1-2. Is this one finished? Let's go to the micro and see if we can see if that's finished or not. XRP is bothering me. Okay. Three waves. Okay. Want to look at this wave right here. Is that a 5-wave finish move? It's really, really hard to find wave 1 here. Is that wave 1 up here? Is that wave 1 down here? It looks like it's finished. But this could be wave 4. But it looks more like it's done. Let's go to the micro here. Looks like a leading diagonal. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I don't know. See, to me, this looks like a... It's really hard to tell what that is. This looks like a 3-wave move here. 1, 2, 3. Then we get into 1, 2, maybe a 3. So what I've been expecting from all of these charts is another 3-wave down. But I don't know if it's going to give it to us or not. And then up another 3 waves. And then down again. One more hit, but I'm not feeling that one more hit on this chart. Hard to say, guys. Hard to say. Because you know how they start out a wave and it's just kind of corrective looking, and they just keep pumping it, it just keeps going. So, all right, if it's a 1-2-1-2, what's the macro target? I mean, if it's 1-2-1-2, it's huge. It's just wicked big. Let's go to the daily here. I mean, guys, if it's 1-2-1-2, it's huge. Go to the 12-hour. Okay, I'm just going to give you the sub count of the third wave. That's the way I'm seeing the third wave. So I'm looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, for a 5-wave move, look for 150 or more. Just to get you thinking that direction. Over $100 easy. $150 for Litecoin. Pretty easily. If that's a 1-2-1-2. If. Big if. It's a gigantic if. What if it's just a 3-wave, guys? If this is just a 3-wave move, this is what you're going to get. And it's going down to $20 again. Almost zero. Before it goes up. So yeah, there you go. Two possibilities for Litecoin. All right. I think the market makers watch my videos. Yeah, that 3-wave could invalidate a one count. That's correct. Because it's only Litecoin's only 3 waves right now. Why do I see some stuff? I don't see the whole chat. Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry, guys. Just trying to read the chat well. All right. Let's see. So we hit Litecoin, hit Ethereum, hit Bitcoin. Hit XRP, hit link. Well, what are we going to do now? I'm taking requests. I think I'm done. I think I'm hit them all. Requests are open. The request line. I'm going to whip them out tonight, guys. Just going to whip out the requests. Yeah, actually, just to mention, XRP looks like Litecoin. It's 3 waves right now. But again, it could be a 1-2-1-2. And in fact, look how much. And I didn't mention this. Let me just mention it now. Look at the hidden bullish divergence you've got. That's a daily. Look at the 12-hour. You see it beautifully. So you can see on XRP we got lower lows, while the same. It's going down there. So we got hidden bullish divergence here on the 12-hour chart. It just feels like there's one more low to be made, guys. We haven't really hit support for XRP yet, but I can't say that for certain. But it just feels like we need to. Well, we did hit this. I guess we're okay. Yeah, I guess we're fine on that square. So yeah, we could be a 1-2-1-2, or it could just be a 3-wave move. But we got the hidden bull there. So we're talking big time moves in XRP. Big time moves. Hey, Geek Boy, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thank you for the gift. I really appreciate it. Tesla, man, all right, let's get it on. You jumped the line, guys. You jumped the line if you with super chats. So keep that in mind. Tesla. Okay, we had our split, guys. We had our split. They revalued everything. One. If I had to guess, there's 2 ways to look at Tesla right now. 2 ways to look at it. I'm going to look at it the bullish way. So the bullish way, this is 1, 2. This is your 3rd wave right there. We're getting 4. Whoop. Let's try again. 1, 2. There's 3. Getting 4. Going up for 5. There's your bullish count. Where's 4 going to come? Is it done? Could be done. Okay. 4 looks like it's got to come down a little bit more. 344. $344. Okay. And then once it gets down here, then another wave to the upside. Where would I expect that wave to go? Right there. It's going to hit 640. Maybe. So that's where I think Tesla's heading. 3 waves finished. Up. There's Tesla. Okay. Yeah, man, no problem. There we go. All right. CMG. Okay, looks like a 1-2-1-2. Talking major bull here. Talking major bull. There you go. I mean, I don't know how fast it's going to get there, but here's Chipotle. Again, I don't know how fast it's going to get there, but I don't know if it'll go straight there, but that's what she looks like. That's a 3-day chart. That's next several years. Next couple of years. Let's look at the 4-hour. This needs a correction, man. It looks like I finished one wave. May not be finished yet. It's got more upside. It's not a buy zone for me yet. I mean, if you're laddering in and holding on for a while, sure. But buy zone for me, I want to see that. Okay. I don't know how big. Maybe that. See something like that. There's your buy zone. Go on in. Okay. So wait for a correction, Merle. There you go. You want to meet everybody, buddy? You want to come spam my channel?
I'll do it.
That's the best thing I can do.
This is Samuel, everybody. This is Samuel. And this is Oliver, our new cat. For those of y'all don't know, Waffles died after a year. This one doesn't want to be here. So this is Samuel. He's gonna be a trader in the future. Maybe. So all right, get out of here.
Can I get on my laptop and stay in your channel?
No.
Can I get on my laptop and play?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yay.
All right. Let's see. There's CMG. Neo.
Hey, Dad.
Okay.
Dad. Dad.
All right. Okay. Neo looks like it's finished 5 waves. Okay. So this correction is going to be deeper, I think. NIO looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, the other option is that this is the top of 3, this is 4, and 5 is going to come. So that's another option. So be careful. Be careful. So it's always tough. Find the end of a wave, guys. Always tough. But just understand that. Let's see. We've got bearish divergence here. Okay. So let that play out. Let that finish. Let's get the hidden bullish divergence. Let's get 3 waves down to this region right here. Let's let us come down and fill this gap. So wait for the 3-way pullback. Maybe at that gap region. Maybe at this region right here. 3 waves and then up for more. Very bullish on Neo. Very bullish. But it's going to be bearish for a little while. That's what they do to you, guys. That's what they do to you. You get in a short position, they pump it a little bit, and they take it down quick. Try to shake you out of your trade. That's what they do to you. That's a 1, 2. Getting a 3rd wave down. Getting 5 waves. Looking good. Anybody trading XRP short? Our targets are... I gave some trade setups at the beginning. Targets are looking good for now. Let's see if we get this. And then I'm going to be looking for a long. Potentially, if this comes down like this, if it comes down like that, I'm going to be looking for a long. Right down here is my entry zone. There. Here. Let's see how it comes down. All right. We just hit Neo. Wait for a 3-way pullback. Sure. What's up? I've got a lot of requests tonight, guys. All right, DXY. Let's check it out. Kimosabi wants DXY. Let's go to the weekly chart. Okay. So here's my bias on like I said, we got this impulse down, 3-wave. We got a 3-wave move back up, and now it's beginning, I believe. Could do one of two. I mean, it's bearish. Okay, so on the weekly chart, we are bearish for a while, many weeks. So on the weekly, we're looking like that. So we're going to have some... Now, on the daily... So that's what we're looking at right there. Okay. So our target... Let's target the 786 first and the 1-to-1 extension. And it needs to come down in 5 waves, okay? Now, it's going to be a 5 waves, guys, that looks like this. Something like that, okay? So, guys, this isn't done. I don't think we're going to get something big here. A big move. If we get a move to the upside, guys, it's going to be small and corrective. See this wave here? If I had to guess... I'm trying. If I had to guess, we're right here. Let's check out the fibs here. Came down to almost to the 2618, then we popped up. Okay, so let's see. Guys, we're still at the 1618. Guys, most likely this is just going to continue on down. I'm bearish. I'm bearish. Then once we finish that, then maybe a correction, and then another hit, and then we go up. Maybe. So bearish right now for a while on DXY. So let's look at the smaller time frame. Sorry guys. Hopefully is everything going okay on the stream, guys? Hold on one second. Hey y'all. Yeah, guys, my kids asked to get on the computer, and I forgot that whenever they're playing games on the computer, it screws the internet up. Let me. Okay, it was because of the internet. Okay, where was I? DXY. So yeah, bearish. Let's look at the small time frame here. You could see that while we're making lower highs here, we're making. Got an exaggerated bearish divergence here on yeah, I thought this was probably an ending diagonal. It still could be for this wave. Maybe the end of the third wave, maybe. Like that. Ending diagonal. This is a fourth wave, a wave 4. Ending diagonal, fifth wave. For correction, and then down. So that might be. So, and this week, probably going to be looking bearish for a couple of days, maybe all week, and then maybe back up. We get a bigger bounce, maybe, unless we break this trend line and continue down some. We do have on the 1 hour chart. We got bearish divergence that's working. So, yeah, I would say down is my bias. All right, we're looking good under an XRP there. All right, there's DXY. Chemo. Are we better with the lag, guys? All right, guys. Here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, that looks. All right. Just checking to see if the lag's any better, guys. Sorry. Okay. It's just I don't have a good connection. I'm going to stop again. Just hang tight. I'll be right back. Okay. Hopefully that fixed it. I closed OBS down and started it again. Says we got an excellent connection for now. I don't have green there. I've got red, so I don't know, guys. We'll see how it does, guys. So I'm gonna keep rocking. I'm gonna keep going here, and try to hit all the requests. Okay, so I'm gonna go fast now. So I think DXY may coming down again, and then back up. Okay. Okay, Algo. Wow, there's so many requests tonight. There we go. It's better. Better. Okay, good. All right, Algo has come down to targets, guys. So this was the last time I did it. You can see how it's come down to, I gave 3 targets here. It's come down to the deep target. We're bouncing there, but don't think it's finished. Look here. We've got major, on Algo, we've got major hidden bearish divergence here. Okay, you see it right there? Okay. This is going to go down again. It's going down more. Okay. So this is going to turn into an impulse wave, most likely, guys, to the downside. Algo's going down deep. So Algos looks short for now. Let me clear the drawings and pull the fibs again, quick. This is the 1 hour chart. Hitting the 127 extension, but again we've got hidden bearish divergence big time. Okay, on the 1 hour. We've got it on the 2 hour, but there's room to go up on the 2 hour. But there's probably going to be another hit to the low here for a finishing move. So I would say at the minimum, you're going to get this, something like that, okay, and then you're going to get a 3-way move up to the upside and then down again. So that bullish move, I think we're getting a bearish move, guys. I think we're going to get a bearish move, an Algo, Bitcoin, all of them, and then we're going up. Now that's the 1 hour chart. Okay, so I'm not saying go short right now, but there's a short. You're going to have a strategy for shorting if you want to short that, or just wait for the long. Wait for the 1618 extension. So learn how to pull those fibs. Rewind it and look how I pulled the fibs. Get a screenshot of that. the target that I'd be watching for is 0.24. Okay. Check XRP, looking good. Looking good. So there's Algo. Okay. Looks like the lag is better now. Somebody give me a final say on if the lag is better. Looks like I got an excellent condition here, so sorry about all the lag. So just give me a final word on that. All right. All right, Algo. Now let's look at Band. Tuna Melt, Band. Here it is. If you want to know the order of things, guys, what I'm doing, I'm just going down first come, first serve. Okay? Band USDT on Binance. Oh, wow. 8-hour chart. Look at that. 3-way move down, 3-way move up, 5. This is a flat. Best I can tell. It looks finished. Band is looking done. Or close to done. Might have one more hit to the low, right? So it's close. It's in the zone. Okay? But it didn't quite make it to this region here. I would really like to see it come down and hit this substantially. I mean, who says it will? But it could. It could be finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could be done. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Could have one more low. Hard to say, guys, whether we're going to get that one more or not. But it's looking about done. Looking long pretty soon. But I probably, if I had, based on what I'm seeing in Bitcoin and XRP and Ethereum and all that, one more hit, 3-way, and then we go up from there. So there's Band. All right, there's Band. Next in line is AG. What is AG? I need to know what AG is. Is this First Majestic Silver Corporation? Marcelino? Is that what you want? First Majestic? I'm going to go to the next one while you answer that question for me, Marcelino. AG, is that the AG on the New York Stock Exchange? Is that what you're asking about? Let me see if that's... Let's see. Trading Shapes. My brother. He wants U.S. oil. Let me see what U.S. oil's doing. You're the oil expert, bro. Oh, Peter, you're. I'm sorry. Before oil, we got Binance. Okay, Binance against Tether. Huh. Same as the Bitcoin chart. Same as the Bitcoin chart. I want to say we need that, and then that. That's hard to say. Because we got 5 waves here. I'm looking for 3 waves here. So I don't think 3 waves is finished. Might be finished. But we might be looking for this.
You've been clicking all day.
And then down again.
Do you watch this one?
So 3 waves,
I said,
then a 5 wave down. Whew. Excuse me. That means something like that, you know. 3 wave move down, then maybe up again. Immediately, I think we're looking to finish 3 waves and then down. That's my immediate take on Binance. Okay, let's do oil. Oh, wow. Yeah, oil has hidden bearish divergence here. It's got exaggerated bearish divergence on the 3-day chart. Let's see what the daily looks like. Okay, so okay, let me say that again. Let me go back. So we had hidden bear here. Okay, so expecting a down move, but look at this down move. It's really interesting. The down move that we got in oil was just a small price drop, but look how much it's reset the RSI. I mean, on the daily. So the RSI is reset on the daily pretty interestingly. So it tells me that most likely oil's correction is going to be short-lived, maybe. I don't know how small it's going to be. I can't say, right? But I think it seems very bullish. Just bull. It's bullish. So yeah, I think small correction here. I mean, is this what we're going to get right here, man? Right down to there. You know better than I do. You track oil better than I do. Is that what you're seeing? So maybe correction to that area and then up again. What do you think? What do you think, Wax? YL? All right. Shays wants the 2017 bull run. Okay. First Majestic on AG. Okay. Let's do First Majestic here on AG. This is a silver corp. I already did some analysis on this. Why do I have arrows on the chart? I don't know. This was the March dump. Nice recovery there. It would make me think, looking at the 3-day chart, that it wants to do this. Okay? So, hit up to $19. Now, it's going to take a bit, but looks like it's heading there. Let's go to the 2-hour chart. Let's look at this last wave. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 3 isn't finished and we're coming up here. Okay. So I would target this zone. Watch for an entry down here somewhere. Something like that. Looking good on XRP. Coming to target zones soon. It might get down here to $9, bro, and that's your entry for another long. I don't know, 957. Watch it. 5 waves down. That's what I'd watch for. Then look for a long after that. There's AG for you. Marcelino. Let's see. Yeah, while on oil, yeah, the RSI came way down. So, yeah, buy setups starting now for sure. Why not? It looks really bullish. Okay. Let's see. I got algo. Okay, next one in line is XLM. Real life. Keep it real, yo. Ugh. Yep, it played out. Expanding wedge played out there. Came to target already. XLM looks like it's come to target. We've got hidden bullish divergence here on XLM. Okay, looking bull. Looking for buy setups, man. Looking for buy setups on XLM right now. Right now. Guys, Bitcoin's looking good. Any of you with the trade setup I gave up earlier, if you're interested. I erased it all. Okay. Looking for Bitcoin to do this. This was a leading diagonal. Okay, 3-wave move down, looking for a buy zone right here as it comes down for a long up to about 10,600, 10,550, something like that. And then evaluate from there. All right, so XLM looking for buy setups right now. You got the bullish divergence. You got a 3-wave move that looks like it's come to the 1-to-1 extension. Maybe one more hit to the low, and then. So maybe that one more hit's coming, guys. The CME gap's going to be filled, guys. Go long once it gets filled. Long it. Maybe. Not financial advice. Never. Never, never, never. What did I skip, Rob? Did I skip somebody?
The face plan. Face plan. Before you have to jump on it.
Oh, okay. You got to use all caps, Rob. I got you. Regan, here it goes.
Oh, this part?
Is that pharmaceuticals, buddy? Okay. Regan. Yeah, man. Use all caps, guys. I like the way you say hi, Meyer. give me a chart request, bro. But I do like the way you say hi, man. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. You're getting well, if you use all caps, Rob, it'll just help it stand out, and I won't miss it because I'm just kind of going through looking for the symbols, right? So it looked like a sentence that you were talking, and I'm not reading the whole chat. So there's a lot of chat tonight. So sorry about that. All right, Meyer, really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have to wait and see if this we're getting the third wave. Let's come up for 4 and then down for 5. Looking good, man. Looking good on our XRP, guys, on this short. I've made almost 1.5% so far, just trading while I'm doing live stream. Okay, REGN, pharmaceuticals, current wave. Let me get some context here. Okay. Yeah, you're in wave 4, right? Probably this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with that context, let's look at the smaller time frame. I guess the first thing I want to do.
Oh, this is a Forex
First thing I want to do is pull the fibs on the third wave. Okay, so we might not be finished with the third wave. This might be 4 of 3. So keep that in mind as a possibility. I don't like the wave shape here. So what I'm saying to you is that this could possibly be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the subwave count of the third wave. And not even that. And that's not even done. Looking pretty bullish, man. Looking pretty bullish to me. Even though it's going down kind of hard. 2-hour chart. All right, let me go to the 8-hour chart. There's big time, massive hidden bullish divergence here, buddy. I mean, just massive. It's got to tank big time if it's going to wipe that out. Look for long setups, man. That's all. It's just long that sucker. Long that sucker. Yeah, 1200 probably. Real conservative target 800, real conservative. But this shape, go to the weekly here. Oh, dude. This is huge, man. I mean, definitely watching 877. I mean, that's just, I got 2 fibs right at 877 in that ballpark. That's first place I'm watching. Okay. That's the weekly. Okay. Okay. Algo already hit it. BRX. Akin, what's up, man? BRX. It's your turn. Don't have it on my chart, man. Akin, make sure you got the right abbreviation, man, for BRX, because I'm not finding it. Okay, I'm going to go to, what's BC? What's that? Brunswick Corp. Give me, hey, Juan Mendez. Make sure, is it Brunswick Corp? Is that what you want? I want to make sure I do what you want. BZRX. Okay, there you go. I found you. So BZRX first against USDT. All right, let's do it. All right, there's nothing there. Okay. Yeah, yeah, you got a leading diagonal to start you, buddy. It's clear as day. So this is a bottom right here from, let's see, this 10-minute chart. Ten-minute chart, you got a leading diagonal. I mean, that's all the data I got, man. I don't have any other data. Did it just open up or something? So that leading diagonal implies a move down, through a move down and then up. This might be it. And then up more. So 3-way move at least, or higher. So up for now is the direction, but we're going to get it. Is this a 3-wave and that's it? Is it done? Or is it almost done? Like with Bitcoin here? A little 3-wave, that's it? Can't say. But yeah, that's the setup. Alright, there's that. BC, Juan, what was the answer there? Okay, let me try. I'll try BZRX there on Poloniex. A lot more data there. Thank you. Yeah, there's just nothing here, though. There's just nothing here. Looks like... I mean, technically we got hidden bullish divergence here. So, we got hidden bull right now working. Yeah, LTC chart already did it earlier. I do all the majors, Joseph, at the beginning of the chat. So, yeah, I hit BTC, XRP, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and Link. All the I call those the majors. Those are the ones that a lot of people are really interested in, and I already hit that, Joseph. So you can rewind the chart, rewind the thing. I mean, yeah, I mean, probably looking up for on on the daily, But who knows exactly when? Wait for your setup, okay? Wait for your setup to for a long. It's looking like it's starting to turn on the RSI right here. See how we got this, and it's crossed the RSI there. It doesn't mean it can't go down one more hit. It totally could. So it can go down one more and then up. So, but we're close to a long on BZRX there. Okay. All right, what's the next one? Let's do gold and silver. Gary George. I'm very bullish on silver. This looks like a fourth wave happening right now. I mean, it's just long to me. It's flagging out right now in a triangle. So here, let's go to the small time frame here. A couple of ways to look at this. I mean, on the short time frame, could do that and then up down to $22 and then up again. $23 maybe. Okay, so watch these two fibs. Watch those fib areas there. Could come all the way down to $20, but it's bullish after that. It might already be finished and it's starting to go up there. Or it's making some kind of triangle. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E. And it's up from here. So it's bullish, but I can't see all the structure for now. It could go several ways. But up is what you're looking for long setups. Okay? Let's check out gold while we're at it. Yeah, you can see how I've got this wanting to come down here. So still looking for a down wave maybe to $1,800 possibly. I want to see this thing finish out. Okay, guys, looking good here. We got 1, 2, 3, making the fourth wave now. Looking for one more push to the low side on XRP, guys. Another push down to the 10-1 down here for a bullish move in Bitcoin, maybe. So let's watch these waves come down. Okay. So yeah, gold's looking up too, but looking for long setups, but it may be coming down here first and then up. Okay. All right, there's gold and silver. Never did hear from you, Juan, about BC. I'm just going to do Brunswick Corp. Shays, I'm not ignoring you. I just saw your comment now. I appreciate that correlation, man. I don't keep up with the DXY correlation with Bitcoin. I haven't really spent a lot of time. So what you're saying is that it says bearish DXY is good for BTC gold and the S&P. Same cycle on the DXY down, BTC gold and S&P up. It happened in 2017. Cool. I'll have to check that out. So. Yeah, I hear you, Brian LTO there. Yeah, on September 11th. Interesting. I have to check that out. Okay. Let's check the S&P quick, guys. Let's check the SPX. I mean, there's bearish divergence here. There's bearish divergence here. So it's looking to finish up. We need a correction here. When does it finish is anybody's guess. Maybe after the November elections. We need I don't know. But it's going up too fast, right? We had this down move really fast and then up. It recovered super fast. So right now it's bullish, but for how long? How long? We got room in the RSI on the 3-day. Yeah, I mean, we got hidden bearish divergence here. It's going to be going up more. S&P 500 has more up to go. Okay, hit BC. I hit link. Tesla's done. I did BZRX. USD good. All right. I think I did the BNB already. Yep. Colin, you heard my neck crack. Sorry, bud. All right, let's look at DraftKings. I like that chart. That's a great chart. I say that every time, but I do. I like it. Let's see if my predictions have been correct. Ooh. It's in corrective mode. So we got a 1, 2, 3. Ooh. It looks good for a long here, but man, those 3 candles on the daily. What happened? Why is that? Is that because COVID's messing up? Is COVID messing up NFL? Is that what's going on? Are you going to get a 3-wave move like this and then up? Possible. Yeah, that's possible right there. So yeah, you might be getting a 3-wave move like that. If it goes down from here, let me give you a target for upside for DraftKings. I already hit it. Boom. $24 to $19. That's kind of deep. $19 would be deep, but it'd be all right. Yeah, so maybe that, or maybe up from here. It could go up from here, okay? It could totally go up from here. Keep that in mind. So if we start going up and break the high, let me give you a target for the high. So you got a target for the low side. Here's the high side. 50 bucks, $49. Here's your target. $49 at least. It could be up to $62. Okay, there's DraftKings. All right, Diego. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? All right, NET on the New York Stock Exchange. Bullish. I'm bullish. I've got a bullish outlook. Take a long right now. Not financial advice, but beautiful three-wave move here. No, not quite ready. Maybe ready. Boom, boom, boom. Here's your target, $31.72 to $29. You gotta see, could be of a short run right here, and then bull. Take a screenshot of that. There's your targets. But it looks like a good three-wave move for a long, good, ready for a long. Where's it going? Yeah. So that looks like the third wave. This is the top of 3. This is 4. Came down and hit 382. Could be finished. I mean, it's probably finished. This wave's probably done, ready for a long in this region now. Might come down a little bit more. But we're looking for NET to go up to 50, 51, 52 bucks. That's my first target. Then we'll just have to see from there. This came down and hit the window and extension. Came down to target. Man, I gotta be watching this. Okay, so there's NET. I did XAG. Let's see. Okay, XRT. You want XRT versus Ethereum or USDT? I like to do the US dollar. XRT there. Okay, help me out on XRT because I'm not getting a chart. I don't see any charts for XRT. Did you mean XRP? I mean, I've typed it in here, but I don't see. Do you have the right symbol? Just check and make sure you got the right symbol. Robonomics. Okay, let me type in that and see what we got. Yeah, it's not on TradingView, bro. Sorry, bro. Sorry about that.
I think he makes it to the semifinals.
All right, guys, there it is. We got setups hitting targets, guys. Let me show you the XRP setup again, and the Bitcoin setup, and then we're going to call it a night. I'm going to call that done for tonight. All right, so we got a 3-wave move down here. We've come to a target zone here. We're waiting to see if this is going to be our bounce, or we're going to get a bounce a little lower. I'm going to go ahead and take profit on my, as soon as I get off of this, I'm going to go ahead and take profit on this, on that short there, and look for a long. Okay, Bitcoin isn't quite finished. Looking for the one-to-one extension 10,150 for a long, maybe 10,100 if it comes down further. I might watch Bitcoin in connection with XRP. Before I take my profit. I want to see Bitcoin coming down to target, and I want to see XRP coming down to target at the same time. But looking for a long position for a 3-wave move, basically something like this, boom, 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 like that. Okay, coming up here, and then we'll see what it does. We'll take it and evaluate after that. Yeah, looking for 25 cents at least on XRP. So we'll see if we get that or not. We'll see if Bitcoin is going to come on down or not. So we're going to watch this. This may not happen, guys. Remember, trading ideas are just trading ideas. This could come down deeper, so just keep that in mind. This could become a larger 3-wave move. Bitcoin's been doing small 3-wave moves out of diagonals lately, so that's why I'm thinking maybe this region. But remember, Bitcoin can also do this trick. 3, 3, 3, larger move, and then it's up. Okay, so it can do that. Keep that in mind, and it doesn't have to go up. This could be some kind of a 3-wave move, and we're going down from here. So you got to always remember the contingency plans. That a trading idea is just a trading idea. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah, no problem, Colin. Waves in 2017 bull run on BTC can give us a clue on the Elliott Wave count. Big dip corrections, 40-30%. Yeah, I've actually done wave analysis on that, but those moves all came down in 3-wave moves. Okay, and they're 60 to the 618 extension, things like the 50% to 618, 786. So yeah. I've definitely done, here, let's look at the BLX. I'll show you. Okay, let me show you, for instance. What was cool about it is that you got a clear 5-wave move. I mean, on the BLX. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. This first one's a little harder. Let's go to the next wave. After that after this 3-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, boom. And then even here you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then bigger correction. Okay, so you know that move up. If you check once we get in the bull mode, man, it's 5 waves correct, 5 waves correct, 5 waves correct, and it becomes really simple. And you got a lot of the running waves in there. Like right here, you got a running wave there, you got a running wave there. Okay, that was just crazy what that did. So anyway, all right, guys. Thanks, guys, for the night, and check out my friend's Trading Shapes channel on YouTube. Just go to Trading Shapes on YouTube and then watch his analysis of Bitcoin and oil and the indices as well as the Forex. So thank you, guys, and y'all have a great night. Appreciate you, those of you who gave as a gift. We got 2 super chats tonight. Really appreciate that. Thanks for sharing with my family. And we'll see you again on the next video. Hopefully tomorrow. We'll see what's going on. We'll evaluate our trade and see what's going on. Until then, you have a good night. Bye-bye.